Hello, today we're going to be using log to solve equations where x is an exponent. So the hint right here is using log. And whatever I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other side. So problem number 1, 2 to the x equals 29. I'm going to log both sides. Okay, and then there's a exponent or logarithmic rule. Logs and exponents are inverses of each other, that I can move this x over to the front. So this x log 2 is the same as log of 2 to the x power. These two are interchangeable right here. And now because I have that situation, I'm ready to get x by itself. I can divide by log 2 because log 2 and x are being multiplied by each other. So x will be log of 29 divided by log of 2. Get the calculator out. So log of 29, make sure you close your parenthesis right there, divided by log 2. And the answer is x equals 4.8, and we'll round to 6. If I check my answer, 2 caret 4.86 is close to 29. If I would have taken more decimal places, my answer would have been more accurate. So the answer is 4.86. All right, number 2. The first thing we need to do here is to make this problem look like this problem. So right now I have something to the x, but I also have another number in the way here. And so I really just want this side to be 5.2 to the x. Now I can't multiply these because this one is to the x and that one is not. But I can undo things, and I'm going to divide by 3. 39 divided by 3 is 13, equals 5.2 to the x power. And now I'm going to log both sides just like we did over here. And then I'm going to rewrite this side by moving the x into a new location here in the front. Like I said over there, these two are equivalent. So x log 5.2 is the same as log 5.2 to the x. So log 13 over log 5.2 will be our x value. Again, we're going to type that into the calculator. So log 13, close your parenthesis, divided by log 5.2. X will be 1.556, approximately, because I'm rounding. So if I check that, 3 times parenthesis 5.2 caret 1.556 is about 39. A little bit over. So if I would have taken more decimals again, I would have gotten even closer to 39. That's it for today's skill building.